Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q5 wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into its service position. Now, locate the small release tab or button on the wiper blade where it connects to the arm. With the arm in the service position, press the release tab firmly. This will unlock the old wiper blade from its attachment point. Carefully slide the old blade straight off the arm's hook. Be mindful not to let the wiper arm snap back onto the windshield, as this could cause damage. You can place the soft towel on the windshield for extra protection. Now take your new wiper blade. Align the new blade with the arm's hook, ensuring the correct orientation. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Double-check that they are seated properly and not loose. Finally, it's time to test your new wiper blades. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid to ensure the blades clear the glass effectively and smoothly. Regularly inspect your wiper blades for any signs of wear, such as streaking or chattering, and replace them as needed, typically every 6 to 12 months. Also, for a fresh car interior, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.